Welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to use Google Gemini app in this video. Easy and quick. So just follow this tutorial till the end. So you have to install Google Gemini from Play Store or App Store. Open it when it's installed. Click on here. Click on use Gemini, and here, for example, I will choose the language because it's on French. I will click here and I will go to settings. I will change the language to show you. Click here, add language. Where is English? I will click on English of United Kingdom. Right now I changed the language. I will click on Gemini again and I will show you right now how to use it. So from here you can talk. For example, I will say write a script video about animals, 3 minutes, and send. Then it will write my script. Also I can choose voice call and also pictures. I will click here and from here I will find settings where I can change the voice, Gemini voice and languages, screen, contacts, Gemini unlock screen, everything. So I want to copy this text, for example, I will click here. And that's all. It's very easy, as you say, to use Gemini. So don't forget to like and subscribe.